How to turn on comments on Instagram Live. Firstly, you'll have to open the Instagram app with your logged in account. So simply open the Instagram app. And now from here, you'll have to do live from your account. So for that, you'll have to click on this plus icon just at the bottom. So simply tap on it. And now from here all the way you'll have to go the options live, and from here you can start a live on your Instagram account. So simply tap on this option. Okay, so I'm starting a live. And now after you turn on the live, you have to go with the option three dot just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you can turn off or turn on the commenting on your live. So simply you can do it like this. Okay, so to turn on, again tap on three dot. And now from here turn on commenting. So this is the easiest and simplest method to turn on comments on your Instagram. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.